What's up YouTube? Chastity here with another video, again up close and personal, because we are doing a very highly anticipated video today featuring a new drop from Fentybeauty. Yes, the MVP brows right here. You know, Rihanna does it again for the girls. And shout out to Rihanna for dropping this product during the VIB summer sale. She the real one, because a lot of brands and stuff like that, they'll wait till after the sale and then drop a product. But honey, she comes through with the affordable product, and I hope I love it just as much as I love everything else from Fentybeauty. So without further ado, let's hop right into this brow. As you can see, all right, there we go, kind of. But anyways, I got two colors because I was in the store. There are 14 shades of this brow product. They retail for $20 each, and then with your VIP savings you get 20% off. So I was able to get both of those for about $32, 33 count tax and all that good stuff. So I would definitely suggest, if you want to try this product, get it now while you can get like your 20% or your 15% off savings. But I know a lot of people want to compare this to the other brow pencils, so I will show you two brow pencils that I use often. One is my all-time favorite, Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I use the shade 4.5 most of the time. I alternate between 4.5 and 5, and it does retail for $24. I usually get these when they're like ultra hot buys or something like that, and I just stock up on them at that particular time. $24, totally worth it. They last all day. I don't really have to worry about my brows going anywhere. They're always there. So that's my all-time brow product. And just in comparison, just to kind of give you all the specs, this has 0.8 grams of product. Another very popular eyebrow product is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I like to use the color chocolate or dark brown. I can use both, and this has 0.085 grams of product. But while you're here, the Fenty, she's given us soft black, 14 colors like I mentioned before, so she's got something for everybody. So I do have, as you can see, dark hair, so I don't like my eyebrows to be super dark or anything like that, but I do want them to match my hair, so that's why I picked up black brown. And I'm going to do black brown on this eyebrow, and I'm going to do soft black, and you guys tell me in the comments below what shade you think looks best once we get to the demo part. But as far as specs for this product, this does have 0.07 grams, and it retails for $20 like I mentioned. First, like I said, I'm going to do black brown on this eye and then soft black on this eye. So I will say, just kind of starting the video, I am pretty blessed in the brow department. I'm just going to take a spoolie and then just kind of brush it up. I know everybody's kind of like, what's the brush like on the Fenty brow product? But like I said, I'm pretty blessed in the brow department. Shout out to my daddy. If you're watching this, daddy, thank you for them eyebrows, because they're thick. Thank you for the unibrow that I tweeze on a daily basis. Yes, they're very thick already, so it's easy to go real south with my brows real quick, and anybody with thick brows can definitely feel me on that one. But I am going ahead and show you what the packaging looks like. So here it is. Alright, so it's a nice pencil. Looks like that. One end is the product, as you can see, and the other end is, it looks like a powder brush. Like, it really does look like a powder brush, if you can see that. So it's very different, but it's super stiff, and I'm gonna let you I'm gonna show you right quick how. So it really does like brush up my brows really nicely. So I don't know how well this will work versus like a regular spoolie, like dispersing product through my brows, but that's why you're here. We gonna try it. We gonna see. We gonna put it to the test. If my camera focuses and does right. There we go. All right, so with that being said, like I said, on this brow, this is shade Black Brown, which I think I'm really gonna like this shade, but I couldn't decide in the store, so I was like, okay, get both. Treat yourself. All right, so here we go. I am up close and personal, and here we go. We're gonna go ahead and define underneath the brow. Uh-oh. So as you can see, I did have to press down quite a bit to get the product going, but it does not look bad at all. So I am brushing the product up and through my brow just to kind of see what that looks like, and just kind of just soften it up a little bit. So that's what it looks like so far. Not bad, not bad, not bad at all. Super easy to use, and I do like the fact that it's like a triangle shape, just because it makes it easier to hold in your hand if you do care about stuff like that. But I think the color looks good. Let me know if you like this color. This is real. It's gonna be like a good natural everyday color, because I do fill in my eyebrows pretty much every day, so it's really gonna be, you know, easy to use this color. So here we go. That's what that color looks like. Again, that was a black brown. So that's what that looks like. I like it. I really like it. I see a piece of hair right here, and I am going to tweeze that. But other than that, I mean, it looks regular. I mean, it's not. All right, and that is again black brown. All right, next, so this is filled in, not filled in. Filled in, not filled in. All right, so on this side of the brow, I am going to use soft black. Again, same packaging, same kind of deal. Again, I don't have to do much to my brows when I'm filling them in with the pencil. As you can see, it just kind of just defines them just a little bit more on the top and the bottom. So yeah, same, but this may be just a smidge, a little, like just a little bit more darker, but cool. Here I am again, brow not done, same powder brush concept for that. Can see that's what it looks like, and I'm just going to brush my brow up, just because, I mean, if you look at these brows, they're thick, they're super fluffy, and I haven't tweezed them in a couple days. So yeah, that's what I'm working with. So again, with this brow, soft black, here I am, soft black. So I'm just really just going in and outlining the bottom, Y'all, look at these brows. So I can already tell this color, I like this color. I got a feeling like on my more defined brows, I'm gonna want this color. Sorry, I'm looking in the mirror below me. So if y'all see me looking down, that's why. So I will say I don't hate the powder brush, but I don't think I love it either. Like, I don't feel like I'm really like flicking the product through as good as I would want it to. You know what I'm saying? Like with the spoolie, I'm able to go from like root to tip, and I know that the excuse me, was I in focus? I don't know. I'm able to go, you know, top to bottom with it. But with this, it's like, I don't know. It feels like I'm just like brushing my brows and not really dispersing the product, if that makes any sense. But you can kind of see what the product looks like. I guess I wouldn't necessarily call this a brow tutorial because I'm not really talking. I'm just gonna do a first impression and show you guys what those colors look like. But I think I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. I don't know. I can't really tell you which one I like better right now. This is soft black on this side. So, do you like brow 1 or brow 2? I don't know. I think I'm feeling 2 a little bit better. I think 1 is gonna be good, like I said, for my everyday brow. But I think I can use both, essentially, honestly, truthfully. So, I don't know. What y'all think? I'm still indifferent on this little brush. Like, I don't know. I don't know if I love it. I don't hate it, but I don't know if I love it. Brow 1 or brow 2? One, black and brown. Brow 2, soft black. As you can see, I was able to, you know, blend the product through, so it doesn't look horrible. You tell me in the description box, excuse me, in the comments below, if you like brow 1 or brow 2 better. Alright, I am back and I added just a little concealer under the brow just to kind of show you what it would look like. I don't have, like I said before, I don't have on any makeup, so if I look kind of crazy, that's why. But I just want to know your thoughts currently. So here's soft black, and I think this is a little bit, this is my favorite brow right now as far as like color, my dark hair, and how I kind of like to go about wearing my brows or filling them in. But the black brown color does look a little bit more natural. So my final thoughts. It's a good pencil. It's pigmented. I think that, you know, for $20, it kind of just sets the bar. It does remind me of the Anastasia Brow Wiz. It does remind me of that, but I mean, it's Fenty, so you gotta support your girl Rihanna. As far as the claims of it being like smudge proof and all that kind of stuff, I have not tested that. Obviously, this is my first time opening it with you guys, but I will leave in the description box if it lasts, because I'm gonna wear it all day tomorrow. So I'm gonna wear it for about 12 hours tomorrow. So I will update the description box below and let you know if it lasted for 8 hours. So I would definitely let you know, but I'm going to touch this brow. Nothing comes off on my finger, so that's a good sign that is probably going to last. And again, nothing came off on that finger either upon just touching them. So yeah, excuse how furry my brows look right now. Like I said, I haven't really groomed them or anything like that, but this is how I would do my brows on a regular basis. So I mean, that's just what you're gonna get. but I do think the tip is very fine, and this one looks really natural versus like I can tell like this one has a little bit more darker tint to it, and this, it looks just like my brow hair. So I will say that as far as color, I probably will like this color better, but as far as like a bold brow, I think I like this one as well. So I can't really go wrong with either one of these colors, to be honest, but I definitely would say Rihanna killed it. For $20 you can get a high-end brow pencil, and that's probably one of the cheapest ones on the market right now. But if you have any questions, or if you've tried the brow MVP, or if you're gonna try it, please let me know, and let me know what shade you're gonna pick up. All right, until next time, peace.